Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, as you know, we started a new course called HTML course which in future leads towards web development. So in today's video, I will teach you what are the paragraph in HTML. In previous videos we have just some basic idea of paragraph, so we will in this video we will have a detailed discussion on paragraph. So let's get started, and I open the Visual Studio Code. I hope you all are practicing by watching videos, and you also install the Visual Studio Code. If you have any problem regarding the previous videos, so you can comment down and I will surely reply you. So I am creating a new file name 05 HTML. So the file is created. So let's talk about paragraph. As you know, paragraph is a block of text, and it one paragraph is start from a new line, and when we write another paragraph, it start with a new line. So let's write some paragraph like this is first line. Control S, it is saved, and I will go to desktop and HTML practice folder, and here we access our this file in web page. So this is first line. Again I copy the same paragraph and write here this is second line. Control S, and let's see, this is the second line. But what if we need to write a detailed paragraph like P my name is John, and like I paste this text again and again like this, and like this, like this, and I press Control save, Control plus S to save. So I go to browser and let's see what's happened. As you can see, it is paste in a simple line, but I write it in 3 lines. So it means that it gives not break the line as I break in 3 as I break this text in 3 lines, but it is not breaking in 3 lines, it is just break it in 2 lines because the space is ended. That's why it goes to next line. If there is more space, then it will cover all this in one line. So how to give the line break? So let's see if I give line break here. So there is a tag called BR. This is a single tag. This has just a start tag, it has not end tag. So I give BR here, Control C, copy here and here. So Control S, and let's see what happens. So as you can see, it is breakdown in 3 as I break it in the browser. So that's is also a good thing. And after that there is a thing called horizontal rules. What are these things? And it it breaks it draws a line between two elements, like what? So we will do practical. So I write here one heading H1. If you don't know about headings, go watch my previous lecture. this is dedicated, this lecture was dedicated on headings. So I write here first web page, okay, and I write p element, and I write here first, this is first web page content. I copy these two text, these two elements, and I paste it here. Here I change something like second web page, and this is second web page content. Okay, Control S for save, and let's go to browser and let's see what's happened. So as you can say, this is heading, this is first web page content, which we write in browser. So this is okay. But if we want to separate these two pages, just assume these are two pages. So what we do? So I write here a tag which is also a single tag called HR. Control S, and let's see what happens. So it gives a line, draws a line between these two elements. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn HTML. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.